What's trending on GitHub right now? Welcome to GitHub Trends. I've got 5 hot open source projects you need to see. Want studio quality AI voice in a single step? Meet Chatterbox. This open source TTS from resemble-ai generates natural speech in just one step instead of 10. Add realistic human touches with paralinguistic tags like laugh and chuckle for extra realism. Clone any voice with just a 10-second reference clip. It's 350 million parameters of pure efficiency that runs on less VRAM. Star the repo at github.com resemble-ai Chatterbox. What if you could run powerful AI models on your laptop, completely free? Ollama makes it dead simple. One command installs it, then run models like Gemma 3 and DeepSeek locally. No cloud fees, no rate limits, total privacy. It even has a clean REST API and SDKs for Python and JavaScript. Your data never leaves your machine. Star the repo at github.com Ollama and start building today. What if you could use any AI model with just 3 lines of code? Hugging Face Transformers gives you access to over 1 million pre-trained models. Text, vision, audio, multimodal, all through a unified API. It's the industry standard that powers everything from chatbots to image classifiers. Works seamlessly with PyTorch and integrates with training frameworks like DeepSpeed. Whether you're transcribing speech or generating text, one library does it all. Star this 507,000-star repo at github.com Hugging Face Transformers. Want ChatGPT on your own server? Open-WebUI is your answer. This self-hosted AI platform runs entirely offline and connects to Ollama, OpenAI, or any compatible API. Get a polished, feature-rich interface with built-in RAG for document chat, voice support, and model management, all without sending data to third parties. With 105,000 stars, it's the go-to solution for private AI. Star the repo at github.com. Open-WebUI, Open-WebUI. What if building AI apps was as easy as dragging and dropping? Dify is the open-source platform that lets you create production-ready AI workflows visually. Connect to GPT, Claude, Llama, or any LLM with zero code. Build RAG pipelines, design intelligent agents with 50-plus built-in tools, and ship to production in hours, not weeks. Over 130,000 developers already use it to go from prototype to production fast. Star the repo at github.com langgenius Dify. Like and subscribe for more tech goodness. See you next time.